Hello YouTube, today we're going to work on a temporary fix for leaf springs. So I have a Z71 truck and I've seen this on a lot of YouTube videos and other trucks. So basically the thing is, anytime this thing goes over a bump, or even if I do this, you hear that squeaky noise? That's your bushings. I mean, these are your... So inside these leaf spring shackles, I'm gonna try to zoom in. It's that rubber piece, and as you can see, mine are worn out, so I need to replace them. But for now, another trick is using lubricant. So the grease I'm using for this truck is it's called the Blaster White Premium Grease. As you can see, it's good for bushings and just like the suspension system. And the way this works, it's like a WD-40. It's a spray on, and once it sprays in, it gets thicker and turns into grease. And I like this one too because it works against water moisture, so it'll last you at least, I would say, like around 6 months. So basically I'm kind of gonna go overboard with this just since it's my first try doing it, so I want to see how it comes out. So I'm gonna start right here. I'm gonna spray these leaf springs, the brackets, go all the way to here, and finish for this last bushing is on this side. So I'm gonna try the first side and then I'll go on to the other side. So I'm gonna show you what I did. So that was the one that was making the most noise. I went ahead and sprayed that area. This isn't really necessary, but like my exhaust insulators right there, those are worn out too. So just spraying it. In the meantime, I'll get new ones. I also went ahead and did the control arms. You also have bushings right there. Just sprayed some grease right there. That'll help the vibration or the clanky noise because those are worn out. And then this side too, I did that one. And then right here, not so much right here because it doesn't make noise from this side. And after doing that, as you can hear, it doesn't, that's the actual frame of the car. But I don't hear that squeaky clanky noise anymore. So thanks for watching.